Hi there! In this video I will show you how to use the Expense Tracker Template, a simple and clear tool to record your daily expenses, see where your money goes and stay on track with your budget. This template helps you analyze your spending by category, subcategory and account. Everything is calculated automatically and shown in easy-to-read charts. Let's start with the Setup tab. Here you can set your currency symbol, add your accounts like bank cards, cash or PayPal, create your own categories or subcategories for expenses. This tab is the base for the whole template. All the accounts and categories you add here will automatically appear in drop-down lists on the main sheet. Now open the Expense Tracker tab. This is where you will add your daily transactions. In the transactions list, just fill in a new line with date, when the expense happened, amount, how much you spent, subcategory, choose one from the list. The category will fill in automatically based on your subcategory, account, where you paid from, and description. All the data updates automatically. The charts and summaries on the right will change as you add transactions. On the right side, there is a table called Expense Breakdown. It groups all your spending and shows the percentage for each group. You can choose how to display the breakdown by category, subcategory, or account, to see which areas take the biggest part of your budget. Above the table, there is a pie chart that shows the same breakdown visually, so you can quickly see where your money goes. At the top of the template, you will find two more key charts. Left to spend shows how much you already spent and how much of your budget is left. It helps you stay within your limit. And daily expense. This chart tracks your daily spending. It compares your actual expenses with your target daily line, so you can see when you spend more or less than planned. You can add any number of transactions, up to 20 categories and 20 accounts. All totals and charts update automatically. You just need to keep adding your expenses. This template works great for personal use, family budgets, or small businesses. The Expense Tracker helps you stay organized, see spending clearly, and manage your money with confidence. You can purchase this template in my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Happy budgeting!